right, I'm the Flatratemaster, and today we need to talk about, well, you need something other than auto repair to define your life. What do I mean by that is, unfortunately, I see a lot of technicians that focus so much of their life on auto repair. The detriment to your actual life is going to be very high. What I mean by that is things are going not great at where you work, whether you're just getting your butt kicked on a daily basis. We've all had those days. We've all had those weeks where just everything you touch doesn't go well. Well, the problem with that is if you are totally encompassed in auto repair, it will affect every part of your life, period. There's no way around it. If you're struggling in confidence at the shop, you're going to struggle with confidence everywhere because you've just tied your entire being into an auto repair technician. It's really important to, find other parts of your life to focus on. A lot of technicians train extensively, and that's great and awesome, but that shouldn't be just your life. You should find other things you enjoy to do in your life. Multiple things preferably, to distract you from when things are going bad, when things are struggling. For me, I smoke cigars, I drink good whiskey, I game, I play with computers. Find stuff you enjoy doing to distract you when things aren't going well in auto repair. It'll help you recenter as an automotive technician. It's a lot harder when your entire life is that one thing to recenter. You're just not going to get out of that funk easily. The more your entire personality is auto repair, the harder getting out of that world is. As far as getting out of that lack of confidence, I can't make this call because I'm not sure. I've been wrong twice this week. And I know all the evidence is showing this, but I got to keep checking because I don't have any confidence. Well, that'll bleed into the rest of your life if you don't have something else in your life to redirect. And whatever it is, hunting, woodworking, whatever your hobbies or whatever, find something you enjoy besides auto repair. The more you can go off and separate your life from your job is great. Now, we all love training. We all love going to training and learning new things, increasing our skill set. And that's great. And take that information and run with it at the shop. One of the best things you can do as an automotive technician is when it's quitting time, go home and do something very different. A lot of times people burn out in this career simply because they don't have anything else in their life. People come into this career because they liked working on cars at home and they work all day on cars at work, and then they come home and work on their project car. And as long as you're enjoying that, because it's usually quite different than what you do day to day, it's fine. But if, for instance, all you're doing is fixing your family's cars when you come home, you're just going to go into that same envelope. It just is going to snowball. You're just going to keep going into that negative loop of, I hate this, I'm tired of this. Find good stuff to do other than auto repair. Whatever it is, whatever you enjoy doing, it doesn't matter to me. It's your life. Do what you find enjoyable. Whatever it is, crochet, I don't care. But find something in your life to do to distract you from your day job, because it's your job. And stop letting your job bleed into your rest of your life. Find stuff you enjoy, whatever it could be. Maybe you enjoy smoking briskets on the weekend. Well, smoke briskets or whatever. But find something besides auto repair for the rest of your life. You spend a lot of time at work. The rest of your time should be yours. So enjoy it. Otherwise, it will cause you to burn out on auto repair. Find stuff you enjoy and enjoy them. You only get one life. Enjoy it at least part of the time. Hope this video was helpful. It really, I think, is really important for technicians, especially ones getting close to burnout, to look at something other than cars to make sure you don't continue to burn out. So I hope this video was helpful. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.